Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time or stopping by this channel, you're happily welcome, and please do consider clicking on that red gold subscribe button. Also click on the notification bell that pops up just immediately you subscribed, so that YouTube can notify you whenever I post a new videos like this one. Today I'm going to tell you 2 simple remedies for acid reflux and heartburn. So if you are suffering from heartburn or acid reflux, this video is definitely for you. Heartburn and acid reflux are now common complaints from many people. Most times the cause of this heartburn or acid reflux is always indigestion, but there are also other causes of heartburn and acid reflux, but the most common one is indigestion. All right, so whenever you are having heartburn or acid reflux, what do? The first remedy: get apple cider vinegar, ACV, apple cider vinegar. What do you do with apple cider vinegar? You get 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and you dilute it in 1 cup of water. Let me take it again. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, ACV, dilute it in 1 cup of water. You take this immediately or whenever you are having the heartburn, or you take it early in the morning before you take your breakfast. All right, let me take it again. 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, dilute it in 1 cup of water. You take this whenever you are having heartburn or acid reflux. All right, okay. The second remedy is the use of baking soda. Baking soda can do numerous things for us apart from baking. Example of such things is remedying heartburn and acid reflux. Okay, how do you use baking soda for heartburn to remedy heartburn? Take 1 teaspoon of baking soda, dissolve it in 1 cup of water. Let me take it again. 1 teaspoon of baking soda, dissolve it in 1 cup of water. Always take this whenever you are having heartburn or before meal, before breakfast. Okay, all right, loves, in case you did not understand what I said, please be free to check my description box. I'm going to write it down on my description box, so in case you are confused with the measurements, check my description box, it will be written there. All right, any other question you have on this, please feel free to ask me in my description box or my Instagram handle. All right, I will always answer. I may not answer as immediately, but I will surely answer you. All right, okay, loves, I want you to know something. There is no absolute cure for heartburn or acid reflux, but there is always a remedy, and I've given you 2 remedies for that. If you love this video, please give me thumbs up, and see you in my next video. Remain blessed.